Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, the one and only Adam D. Noli, at it again, bringing you guys another video. And today is going to be pretty special since it's an update video for my 30 days of actually drop shipping. I've been doing it for 30 days straight now, consistently, like everything I've been talking about in my previous videos. If you haven't seen those, I'll put some in the description. I made certain videos of my journey drop shipping, certain strategies that I use through drop shipping, and I'm actually going to show you how much money I made through sales with specifically drop shipping on eBay. So yeah, this is going to be pretty awesome, and stick to the end of the video to see it completely and see how much I've been actually making, because a lot of people think like, oh yeah, this guy's just posting videos, wow, this and that. Well, a lot of people don't say that, but like they probably need to see proof. Like a lot of people, even myself, if I'm watching a guy on YouTube explaining how to do anything, I want to see proof and everything. So like I waited for 30 days, that's why I've been holding off to actually show you guys how much I made for 30 days. And mainly this is going to be consuming almost all the strategies that I integrated. So mainly optimization, and sniping. And I'm going to go about which one I found more beneficial out of all the videos that I made so far, because I don't think I actually told you which one that I prefer more. Like I said, like first, optimizing is a really good way to actually make money, and that's like the #1. However, after a few tests, I'm actually trying out different strategies. Like I found out that's not like the best way to make money fast consistently, because like there's like two different routes that you would like. Well, there's like one is if you're just starting off and you want to be motivated. If you want to be motivated and actually see consistent sales to actually get you in the groove to actually start listening more and more, there's going to be certain strategy for that, compared to just like if you want to take the time to actually look for certain products and everything, and knowing that you actually like optimize this title completely, and you know that you could get a sale with bigger margins but potentially might not sell. There's strategies for that. So it matters like what you're actually looking for and what you're trying to get out of drop shipping. So actually, hold on for 1 second. Let me get my charger before my phone dies. What I was saying, there's different methods from the certain strategies you want to actually get into, and mainly what I found in the beginning, it was really hard for me to actually stay consistent and motivated in the beginning. Don't get it twisted. In the beginning, it was hard for me to stay consistent and motivated with like listing five items each day. That was my goal. Wrote it up there on my whiteboard. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put in the description below. Shameless plug, I know, but whatever. Anyway, so mainly I just want to talk about, if you don't need the motivation, if you believe in dropshipping and you know you actually want to make sales, then you could go about it a different strategy than I went about it, because I use something completely different from what I just said. Because like I believe in dropshipping, however, I wasn't as motivated as I should have been, because you know I haven't really saw those sales. So in the beginning, I started optimizing, which was good and everything. It was all well and good. That's how I started off learning about dropshipping. Then I followed different YouTubers and everything. I heard about snoptimizing, so that's basically oh, let me rewind. I heard about sniping second, and that's basically I explained it in many other videos. So if you haven't seen those videos, you can check them below. But sniping is basically like ripping off someone else's product, switching up a little bit, and put it on yours to actually gain profit. And mainly, it was going well with snoptimizing in the beginning. However, after, I wasn't really getting that motivated, and I wanted to go back to sniping, because I did snipe in the beginning. And when I started sniping, man, like it's basically like drop shipping on steroids, because you get the results way faster than what you would expect if you're just drop shipping with snoptimizing or optimizing. And I mean by that is basically like you get improving items. If you don't know how to snipe, I made videos in the past. So go check those videos if you're confused about what I'm talking about, so you understand what I'm going to be explaining today. So I'm basically going to go over the overview of everything that I've done with dropshipping, and then I'm going to show you how much I've been making in the past. So mainly with optimizing, with sniping, is basically on steroids, because you are finding an item which you know that sells consistently. You get in the item and you basically lowering down the price, and then basically like put in the price. So like say if it's like $30, you make it 29 or 28. Make sure you still have a profit margin, and then list it. And there's like no worry about like, oh, this might not be a good product, this and that. Like there's proof. There's proof that you saw this product on another eBay seller, and you see how many sales that eBay seller has been getting. And for me, I would check if they have like, at least like 20 sales or whatever within the last 30 days or something around that, so I could gauge how well it's actually gonna sell and how soon I'll actually get money. You know, so mainly with sniping, you get sales fast. You'll get sales fast. Like the third item I listed was I sniped that item literally within 24 hours. I got a sale. Like it sold. I was surprised. I was like, holy shit, this is legit. And I was more consistent on actually like listing a lot more compared to when I optimize or synoptimize. I have to wait a little bit longer, and I don't know if that's a good item. Then I start like tweaking it a little bit, like making sure like maybe I like tweak it too much and then it doesn't sell. I just start thinking about it too much, and then I just waste more time and energy for something that probably could have sold if I just wait a little bit longer, and it just made me more anxious. And like the benefits with there's ups and downs with both strategies. The benefits for that I found in sniping that I preferred more is basically I found results faster, which helped me stay motivated and actually consistently listing and sniping items. For me, if you don't have motivation problems like I do, then you can actually optimize and optimize. The benefits for optimizing or optimizing is you have bigger margins. Okay, so like mainly when you're optimizing, you are actually creating your own title. You're not just ripping off a title from an eBay lister, eBay seller. You're making your own title, final product, and everything, and then you just put it out there. You put it out there. Hopefully, it'll sell, and then making your own title, like that's specifically for you. Like you won't have that much competition compared to like copying someone's exact title, like you're sniping, and then they'll see both of the seller, you and the person that you ripped the item from, and then they'll check the price and then they'll pick yours obviously. But like with optimizing, you don't have that problem because like if they type in almost all the keywords you have, you'll be like the first one there, and then like they won't have that much competition. Well, I mean, you won't have that much competition when people are actually looking for your products because it's unique, since you made the title specifically unique to your listing. So that's the benefits. Bigger margins and yeah, just bigger margins. And I guess like the downfall for that is like more time you have to put in. But you know, I felt like the margins I was getting sniping was like it was all right. It wasn't amazing, but it was consistent. I liked it because it stayed consistent, and it helped me get more motivated to actually start listing a lot more. Because if any of you guys are like me in the beginning, it was hard for me to stay consistent with dropshipping because you know a lot of noise are out there, but like yeah, it's it's just difficult to be consistent with something that you're not too sure about. But I was like sure about it. It's just like I wasn't that motivated because I wasn't getting that much sales. Because like when I started off drop shipping first, it was from optimizing. I started optimizing first, and then I learned snipe, and then I learned how to snipe, and then I learned how to snoptimize. Made videos about snoptimizing because I thought that's like the end all be all strategy. But I found out it is a great strategy to get good margins and everything. But like for me, sniping was the way to go because I got those consistent sales, which kept me motivated to make me list more, and I was getting money. Like I was making money here and there. Wasn't as great margins, but like I was still making consistent sales. So that's just my own perspective on it. Everyone's different, I know. So like if you fit my description of like how you would start off or how you did start off, then sniping is the way to go. And yeah, I just wanted to sum up. That's basically like what I've been through the last 30 days and like all the things I tried. And I'm gonna keep this going. I'm still motivated, and yeah, like that's what I choose. I chose sniping for my primary way to list, and I've been getting a lot of benefits from it. And you guys will see the benefits when I show you how much sales I've been making on eBay. So without further ado, let me hop onto the computer and actually use my phone to show you guys how much I've been making. Alright guys, sorry for the transition. I actually had to go use my webcam because I had to go on my eBay app, and I've been using my phone to actually record some of the videos since I'm still waiting for my camera in the mail to come. So yeah, I'm sorry that you have to deal with this quality, but without further ado, let me show you how much I've been making in sales on eBay within the last 30 days. So let me pull it up for you guys. And without further ado, this is how much I've been making. It will focus. A little bit over $1,000 in sales, and some of the active ones I have is like 134. I usually, this is not like all I've been listing. Let me focus again. Sorry. Mainly I listed stuff and then I unlisted them since I was optimizing when I told you before. Some of them weren't selling, so I took them down. And mainly these are all the ones I sniped. So yeah, I'll show you guys one more time. So $1,128.11. So yeah, guys, this is what is possible. Like, no, I'm not even hiding anything. This is all the stuff I've been making. You guys see a little bit longer. Focus. Yep. There you go. So that's it, guys. That is my 30-day progress with dropshipping. This needs to focus again. God damn.
Oh no.
Focus on my face. Focus on my. Okay, it's focused. So yeah, so that's basically my 30-day progress with dropshipping and how much money in sales I've been making. And mainly, most of my profits was nowhere under 40%. Some of them are more in the beginning, and then sniping more consistent sales, lower profits, but never under 40. And I've been making a lot of sales. Like, it was awesome. It's awesome. It's a really good side gig to actually start making money online. It's probably like one of the best strategies you can use to actually start making real money online fast, like in the next 24 hours. Open a store. It's completely free. Snipe, boom. That's all you have to do. Like, and you guys have any questions, I could make some videos about it in more greater detail to help you guys understand like what methods I use in the beginning, especially with sniping, that you can actually get a lot of sales in the beginning that I've used. So if you need help or you want to find out more information, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this helpful or educational, please leave a like and share the video if you can. And don't forget to subscribe, because your subscription will help me grow this channel even further to make my voice known throughout the YouTubers, to actually help other people that are like me, that are trying to make money online. Because a lot of people, I'm not saying all of them, a lot of people there's a lot of smoke, you know? There's not a lot of like straight cut and dry stuff that you have to know, or like just genuine experiences with dropshipping or like anything online that you can understand and like relate to. And that's what I'm doing. Like, I basically documented 30 days of me dropshipping, made videos about like certain things that I found helpful, and this is basically the conclusion of the end of the 30-day peak of how much money I've been making. And I really hope you guys take the insight well, as I did, because I found it really helpful and educational, learning a lot of tips and tricks by a lot of YouTubers and courses. And yeah, that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you guys all have a blessed day. And until next time, Adam Nolly signing off.